Okay, what I want to show you now is how to connect the HoverCam Neo3 directly to your computer, the same way you would with one of the other HoverCam models like the T3. What you can do here is run it directly through the software. It's going to give you a lot more functionality than you have directly connected to your projector. And I'm going to show you some of the differences between the Neo3 and the T3 when you're working in the software. So we're going to take our camera. Again, we have our power supply plugged into a wall outlet. That gets plugged right into the back here. This time around, we're going to take the USB cable. This is supplied with the HoverCam. Plug in the USB port, completely ignoring the VGA port right now. We're going to take the other end of that cable, hook it into our laptop. You don't specifically need a laptop for this. You can use a desktop, Windows or Mac. Either one's fine. Once we have that all connected, there is that power button here. We have to turn it on. And again, you know it's on because you're going to see the lights lit up and the buttons on the camera here. Your computer will probably make a little noise telling you something's connected. And then all you have to do is open up the HoverCam Flex software. All right, so we just opened up our HoverCam Flex software. As you can see, you have a few different options. There's video, there's scan, the archive feature where you can store all your pictures and videos. And then there's the connect feature, which is a great way to conference or video conference and use screen sharing with other users. For our purposes right now, we're going to go into video. Now, certain computers, especially laptops with built-in webcams, you may automatically get a different camera selected. So you have to come up to the top of the screen here by camera selection. You're going to see Neo3A and Neo3B. Let's select Neo3A. That is this camera right here, the one on the end. That's camera A. So we have our video coming from camera A right now. And on the left-hand side of your screen, over this way, we can adjust our resolution. Right now it's at 1600 by 1200, about 20 frames per second video. So it's great resolution. Video is a little bit slower. We can adjust it down to VGA. You can go sub VGA, but we're going to set it at 1280 by 720. That's 720p HD resolution. This has full 30 frames per second video. This is real motion. This is fantastic video quality for a camera in this price, which is $299. What also sets the Neo3 apart, aside from the video resolution, is the second camera, which drops down like so. Again, this camera is adjustable. You can turn it side to side, or you can have it look right ahead. And that is going to be able to do picture-in-picture. We can switch over to our scan tab. The scan tab is used for taking still shots or just displaying something like these keys. Again, you still have the ability to switch between cameras. You can still do picture-in-picture. So if you have an object on the side of the room you want to display along with your keys or your whatever else you have in there, you can do that. So we're just going to switch them around, change our cameras one more time. So now there you have it. We can capture a still shot of an object being displayed under camera A as well as an object in camera B. The Neo3 does come with a 1-year subscription to HoverCam's Grade Central software. That's going to turn the HoverCam into a grading machine. Anyone already familiar with that software with the T3 model? Be happy to know that the AccuScan tray is not required with the Neo3. This is an improved camera sensor that's going to be able to capture your test page without having to put it in that tray. So the other thing you can do with your HoverCam connected directly to your computer is use it as a regular webcam. As I mentioned before, camera B is shown through this window when it's all closed up. So you can place that camera sitting on your desk, take it out of the camera shot. We can go and select our video tab again. And all we have to do is go in there and select camera B. And there we go. we have an image coming right from the HoverCam, the front of the HoverCam, right here. So this can be placed on your desk. It can be used as a regular webcam. Use it with Skype or with any other program, conferencing or otherwise, where you would want to use a webcam. Again, just another function of the HoverCam Neo3. Document camera, picture-in-picture document camera, webcam, grading machine, anything you want it to be.